Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we are looking at the patched version of Terrarium TV. This app is still very much alive. Let's see what we've got. First off, you want to go to your settings and choose default video player and use either the MX player or the VLC player. Now looking at movies, you've still got all your movies on here, all the old ones, all the new ones. The only downside to this being the patched version is that there will be no further updates, but it still does have a great selection of movies and TV shows. Let's click on one of these to make sure they're still working. Still gives you your overview and your recommendations. We'll click play on this one, give it a couple of moments. There you can see, it still brings up your streams in HD. Select that one, give it a play. Working as it should. And we'll go to TV shows. Now if it does load up like this with no data, all you've got to do is select the drop down menu on the top left and click any of them. And there you go. Still has everything on there. A lot of content to watch. Let's give one a go. Then you've got your trailer, your overview and your seasons. Select what one you wish to watch. Give it a play. Give that a couple of moments. There you go. All your HD and high quality streams. Select what one you wish to watch.
Previously on Hannibal.
There you go, straight on. You can still also add these to your favourites menu by clicking the star on the top right hand corner. Go back down to your favourites, and there it is. That'll save any seasons you want in there. Works with your movies as well. Still got your TV calendar section, downloads. You can still search for a TV show of your choice or movie of your choice. Let's try that out. There you go, works as it should. Although there won't be no further updates, like I say, it is still a great app to have. A lot of content on here. So now let's have a look how to download this. Okay, so to install this app, you want to open Downloader on your Firestick. If not, you can download that from the Amazon store. And once that's installed and open, you want to type http://bit.ly/TTV new. Just make sure that you haven't got the old version of Terrarium TV on your stick already, otherwise this will not work, so make sure that's deleted before you do this. Once you're happy with that, press go. And that will now download. Once you've gave that a few moments to download, just follow the instructions to install, and there you have it. It's the patched version of Terrarium TV. If this video's helped you and you like it, please hit that like button and subscribe, and keep a watch for more videos to come. Thanks for watching.